Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this session we will be studying about various 2D shape. Now what do we understand by a 2D shape? A two-dimensional shape, also referred as 2D shape, are simple figures which have height, width but no depth. So it's very important that it is a two-dimensional. What the D stands for? Dimensional. So it's a two-dimensional simple figure which have only height and width. It does not have depth. Now how do we represent in two dimension? This one. These are your two dimension. So any two dimension, if it is represented, so here we can draw a 2D shape. So there are only two dimension. One is this dimension and another is this dimension. The third dimension over here, this is missing. So that's why this third dimension is not there. That's why it's a 2D shape. Now they are made with straight sides and corner or curved lines. You can count the number of sides and corners to determine the type of 2D shape that you see. Now, what rectangle? The most common 2D shape. It's a rectangle. Now, this is how a rectangle looks like. Now, what are its features, properties? It has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has four corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The two long sides and two short sides, they are opposite. It has two long sides, right, and two short sides. So the opposite sides are equal. So these two long sides are going to be equal and the short sides are going to be equal in length. The next is triangle. Now what are the properties of a triangle? It's very simple. It has three sides. So 1, 2, 3. It has three corners. 1, 2 and 3. And it has three sides. So 1, 2 and 3. The next is, well, a circle. Now for circle is made of only one curved side and it has no corner. All the sharp edges are missing from this one and there is only one side, this one. You can see it's only one side. This entire thing, this is only one side. So one curved side. That's what circle is. Now square. Now how a square is different from a rectangle? It is in rectangle only the opposite sides are equal. Whereas if all the four sides are equal, that is, it's going to be a square. Here we can see all the four sides are equal, so it's going to be a square. This also has four corners. So four sides, four corners, and all the sides are equal. Now next one is pentagon. Now what does pentagon means? Penta means 5. So it has 5 sides, 5 corners and 5 vertices. These are the vertices. These points, they are the vertices. Where two sides meet, where two sides join together, they are called as vertices. Now, there is one more important thing. We are going to learn one new vocabulary word. Now, what is that word? It is polygon. Now, what does polygon mean? And what is a polygon? A 2D shape with straight lines that is fully closed. So a polygon is a 2D shape and it has straight sides and these sides are fully closed. So these are important things for a polygon. It has to be a 2D, it has straight lines and has to be fully closed. The sides must be straight. A polygon have any number of sides. So it can have any number of sides. As I have already told you, poly means many. Now let's see from what is the origin of the word polygon. Now the origin of the word polygon comes from Greek. Now here we can see poly means many. What does poly mean? The word poly means many and gon means angles. So when the two sides join together, they make angle. So what is a polygon? With many angles, a shape with many angles. So that is a polygon. Now can we name few examples? Triangle, rectangle, pentagon. So these are few examples of a polygon. Now there are few more examples of polygons. Now here we can see the names of polygons, and here we have sides of polygons, number of angles and number of vertices. So a triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Now quadri means 4. Tri means 3. Pentagon means 5. Hexagon means 6. Hexa means 6. Hepta means 7. Octa means 8. Nano means 9 and deca means 10. So here you could see the names of these polygons are based on the number of sides they are having. Now I want you to guess the names for maybe a polygon with 12 sides or 15 sides or 20 sides. So that's going to be your homework. Now one important thing you have to remember. Now what is that? A circle is not a polygon. Yes, it's very important to remember that circle is not a polygon. Why it is not a polygon? That is because it has a curved side. Now, how does the circle look like? It look like something like this. So the side is curved. It is not straight like this. So that's why it is not a polygon. A circle is not a polygon. So with this, I am ending my today's class. Bye bye everybody. Thank you so much.